Let's start the explanation of fundamental concept and operation on algebraic expression. First of all, constant value that never changed, like the value of 7 remains 7, value of minus 2 remain minus 2. So these are known as a numeral value, constant value. Variable means which changes time to time, means you find the different values of a, different values of x. Like we know that the perimeter of a square is given is p is equal to 4a. Here p and a are variable and 4 is a constant. Fine. Algebraic expression, when we express our constant and values connected with the operations, with these four operations, then it is known as a algebraic expression. Terms several parts, means suppose this is 6a plus 7b, so these are two, there are two terms here, 1 2 3, there are three terms here, 1 2 3 4, here are four terms and separated by plus or minus. Why not division and multiplication? Because if it is 6a into 7b, then it will be 42ab, so it will become one term. So it is not separated by multiply, it is separated by with plus minus. Fine. So we have here 3 that you know already. Monomial means one term, only one term. Binomial means two terms. Fine. And trinomial means three terms. So monomial 1, binomial 2, trinomial 3, and multinomial obviously when you have more than 3. 1 2 3, here 4 values are there. Fine. So now after this I ticked about the constant term that I have already told that the values that never change. In this expression minus 3 is a constant value. Fine. Here there is no constant value because every value having some a variable. Coefficient means any factor of a term. Okay, any factors. This is called term, one term, two term, three term. So any factor of a term is called coefficient of a product or of all the remaining factor. Like here, just you understand from this. So this is your example, minus 9yz square. So coefficient of y square, just leave y square, remaining is the coefficient. Coefficient of z, just leave z, remaining is the coefficient. Coefficient of 9y, just because here is y square, so that's why y square is going to be written as minus 9y into z. So we have to find one of this and then the remaining will be your coefficient. Okay, 9 is already included there, 9y. Don't forget about the symbol. Like terms, that you already doing like terms when the variables are same, a square, no matter with the plus or minus number. Fine. Unlike terms when variables are not same. Okay, now this is polynomial. Okay, an algebraic in which variable have involved non-negative powers. So simple funda is, suppose you are having 2x square plus 3x. So this is a polynomial. Fine. This is a polynomial. Polynomial is based upon your variable. If your variable is under root, if your variable having power minus, if your variable is in the form of denominator, then all these conditions your value is not a polynomial. But if you have x square root 2 plus 5x, then it is a polynomial because root is on a constant value. Fine. Degree means power. Here the highest power is 3, it means degree is 3. Highest power is 4, it means degree is 4. So when your number is in denominator form, then it is not a polynomial. When it is in a fraction form, the power is in fraction form, then it is not a polynomial. When it is in root, then it is not a polynomial. Linear polynomial means one variable only. So you can see here is x, only y, only z. So these are called linear. And the degree is 1. X power 1, y raised power 1, z raised power 1. Quadratic means when degree is 2. Cubic when degree is 3. Fine. Degree of polynomial in two or more. Two or more means when you don't have only x, then you have x and y, a and b. Means when you have two variable, then it is known as a degree of two or more variable. Today I will send you some questions also, very easy questions, but I have all the list of 7A and 7D of previous year, so I can check whosoever is not given me their PDF. So be sure I want it today. Thank you.